Refrigerant R404A is one of the most widely used fluids in refrigeration and freezing applications due to its technical characteristics, although its use has significantly declined for environmental reasons. In this class, we will focus on the working pressures of R404A and its primary application, freezing. This refrigerant gas, composed of a blend of three components, has been essential for maintaining low temperatures in commercial and industrial equipment. To better understand R404's behavior, let's examine its performance under different temperature conditions. At a temperature of -20 degrees Celsius, the gauge pressure reaches approximately 30 psi, 29.55 psi to be exact, which is equivalent to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. When increasing the temperature to -15 degrees Celsius, approximately 5 degrees Fahrenheit, the pressure also rises, reaching around 38.5 psi. In contrast, at a higher temperature such as -1 degrees Celsius, equivalent to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, the pressure reaches 48.8 psi. If we continue raising the temperature to 5 degrees Celsius, the pressure reaches about 60 psi. However, R404A is not commonly used at higher temperatures, since its performance significantly decreases compared to other refrigerant gases. R404A is recognized for its ability to operate efficiently at low temperatures, and one of its key characteristics is its low discharge temperature. This means that even though the pressure increases inside the compressor, the discharge temperature does not rise significantly, which helps extend the compressor's lifespan by reducing problems related to oil viscosity stability. However, this refrigerant is not without disadvantages. Its biggest challenge is environmental restrictions due to its high global warming potential, GWP, which reaches a value of 3,922. Although it does not deplete the ozone layer, its environmental impact is considerably high. This is partly due to the presence of R125 in its composition, a component with a high GWP as well. The R404A blend consists of 52% R143A, 44% R125, 4% R134A. As a result, its production and commercialization in new equipment have been practically banned in many countries. Lubricants used with R404A. The most commonly used oils with R404A are synthetic POE, polyol ester, oils, especially those with viscosities of 22 and 32, which are ideal for domestic and small commercial applications. For 1/5 HP compressors, typically found in freezing applications, R404A provides an average cooling capacity of 500 BTU per hour. The required oil amount for a compressor of this size is approximately 250 milliliters, ensuring optimal performance in small systems. Other characteristics of R404A. R404A is considered a heavy gas, meaning that for a given volume, it has a significantly high mass. This allows compressors using this gas to operate with smaller refrigerant volumes. However, its cooling power is lower compared to current competitors like R600A. Nonetheless, R404's high density partially offsets this disadvantage. Replacement refrigerants for R404A. With the gradual phase out of R404A, several replacement gases have emerged, designed to reduce environmental impact while maintaining efficiency. Some of the most notable alternatives include R448A, R452A, R449A. These refrigerants have a significantly lower global warming potential. Other gases, such as R407A and R407F, are also used as alternatives, although their GWP remains relatively high compared to the latest eco-friendly options.